Here's what the revision sheet looks like for this logarithm chapter. To sum up everything that log helps us with. Log helps us to find unknown power of a given function. Make out calculations much easier and faster with log properties. And with log tables, we can solve long and tedious calculation, without the use of a calculator. But, by far the biggest advantage log provides us, is scalability. In today's day and age, we need an efficient way to express data. For example, when expressing some statistics on a chart, some readings might go out of the chart, as they might be too large. And some might be too small, that we can't even express it properly, and changing the scale might also affect other readings as well. So to change these too large, and too small values, we use log, which brings everything under the right proportion. One of the most common examples we see of log being used is in audio devices, like headphones. Next time when you'll unbox your next pair of headphones, take a good look at the box and you'll see some graphs, indicating the frequency range. Most of them have 20 to 20 kHz range. And studio ones might have up to 44 kHz. And it would be very difficult to express those readings, in a graph or chart, if not for logarithms. Those readings are in decibel, meaning, first the frequency is converted using a common log, and then multiplied by 20, so we can easily express it on the graph. The limitation with log is that, log table do not yield 100% accurate results. Sometimes, applying log to smaller operations might not be a practical approach. We will get the answer anyway, but the whole point of using log and log tables is that we want to reduce our efforts, and applying log on smaller numbers might just do the opposite. Also, there is the problem of not recovering a number which has more than 5 non-zero digits. You know, after all these problems we've seen, the revision sheet we've filled up, and log and anti-log tables we've seen, can we say we've learned everything there is to learn in logarithm? Absolutely not. Log goes beyond this chapter, and takes you farther to the horizon of mathematics. Having learned log, its meaning, its properties, log tables, and also having revision sheet for reference, we still have to see how log operates in calculus and how it is applied in it. And we can surely find more problems for practice than we have discussed here. Which also might be not that hard to solve after what we've learned in this series so far. And remember everyone, this entire lecture might not amount to anything if you didn't copy down the problems yourself. Write down the revision sheet and problems yourself, don't just screenshot everything you see. Practice is what separates casuals from pros. That's why we didn't provide you with any printed notes, because we want you to write down everything by yourself. And one last thing, please don't use the revision sheet for cheating in exams. I have seen this before. My students have acted out of their own oversmartness, and also have been caught several times. Just remember, for every time you use the revision sheet for cheating, a baby bunny cries. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.